What's going on YouTube? So today I'm working on my truck again, '09 Chevy Colorado. It's got the 5.3. I've always been disappointed with the throttle response, and it feels like a pig off the line. So I went ahead and broke down, got the Jet Performance Products powr-flo throttle body. I think this is the 76102. Alright, so these things are pretty pricey. They're like almost 400 bucks, but I'm really looking for some more throttle response. It's that drive-by-wire system, and the reviews on this guy seem pretty good. There's a little QR code. You just scan that with your phone and it'll give you the instructions. I already looked these up and it says you're supposed to let it run for 20 minutes or just idle for 20 minutes without touching the throttle. So probably what I'll do is I'll get this put together and I'll go have lunch, let it run, come back and see what it does. Nice looking system. My understanding of this is that they actually have better components inside the electrical body. I really don't know much about that stuff, but it looks nicely machined, nice and smooth. So we'll get it put on there and see if it makes any difference. So this is probably the easiest job I've ever done in any kind of vehicle. Literally took me longer to find the bolt that I dropped than to get this thing switched around. Very simple. So start off, you need a 10mm to disconnect the battery. That same 10mm takes the nuts and bolts loose from the throttle body. And then you need a 5/16 nut driver for removing the clamps on the intake tubing. So they say that it takes like 200 miles for the computer to learn this new throttle body. After about a week or two, something like that, I was so impressed with the throttle response that I gained from this. And it feels like it got a little bit of horsepower, that kind of stuff. You can't really tell, 5, 10 horsepower, something like that. But the throttle response was so impressive, I went ahead and ordered Jet's mass airflow sensor to go with this. And I was very impressed with that as well. It's wintertime. I've been using my remote start, so I can't really say anything towards the gas mileage savings. But the throttle body, it really helped out with the throttle response.